sanitizer spray. So things today in the world feel pretty scary and a little bit crazy, and we hope you are staying safe and healthy. We need some more hand sanitizer in our house. We are down to our last bottle and the stores around here are running out, and so we are going to make our own until we are able to order more. So the hand sanitizer is super easy to make. Hopefully you're able to find the ingredients. We linked below where we typically get ours, and hopefully those are in stock. I do want to say that the CDC recommends hand washing above everything, so continue to use soap and water when that's an available option for you, and use hand sanitizer when you're not able to use soap and water. I also want to say that I'm not a medical professional or a scientist, and this is a recipe that I came up with after doing a lot of research, and I feel comfortable using this for myself and my family, but it has not been tested in a lab. So there's that. So let's go ahead and make our hand sanitizer spray. Make your hand sanitizer spray. You're just going to need a few ingredients. You're going to need vegetable glycerin, rubbing alcohol. It's super important to pay attention to the percentage of rubbing alcohol that you're using. You need to use 91% for my recipe. This is because the CDC recommends that hand sanitizer be at least 60% alcohol, so the ratio of the rest of the ingredients will add up correctly if you're using 91%. If you're using a different percentage, adjust the rest of the ingredients in this so that it's the right ratio, giving you 60% alcohol at least in your spray. So you're going to use the rubbing alcohol, the glycerin, which is just to keep your hands moisturized and soft, because rubbing alcohol is so very drying. So this just helps to balance that out. And then I'm also going to use some essential oils in mine. These help boost the antibacterial properties. There is a list on the blog where you can see which essential oils are best for boosting antibacterial properties. I recommend using high quality oils. I use Young Living. There's other brands out there that are okay to use. If you're using a cheap synthetic oil, that could irritate your skin. So if you don't have access to good quality oils, you can just go ahead and leave those out of the recipe and just use the rubbing alcohol and glycerin. So it's super easy. We are just going to mix 3/4 cup of the rubbing alcohol with 1/3 cup of the vegetable glycerin, and then I'm going to use about 20 drops total of the essential oils, and I'm using Thieves, Orange, and Tea Tree. And again, check the blog post for a list of the oils that are good to use to help boost the antibacterial properties of the spray, and the oils also help the spray to smell better. Alright, and then we are just going to stir this, and once it is mixed, you can go ahead and use a funnel to pour it into your spray bottle. Oops. If you want this label, you can go ahead and click over to the blog post, which is linked below, and the label is down there for you to download and print. And then you are set to go with your hand sanitizer.